Morning children, how are you? See children, in our last grammar class we have discussed children how to write the singular from the given plural word and plural from the given singular word. As well as we have learned how to write the sentences singular to plural. Today children we are going to learn how to write the plural sentences to singular. Before to that, let me remind you this plural, what we can write, this plural, these, that plural, those, okay, is plural, are, was plural, was plural, were. Okay, these are the few words which we have to remember children. And few more sentences we are going to discuss now. How to write plural to singular. Let me to introduce few sentences. First sentence given to you Nana. These are benches. Suppose this is a statement given to you children. These are benches. What is the singular word for these children? This. What is the singular word for this? This. Are can be written as is. And benches, singular word lana bench. This is a bench. This is a bench. Very easy children. The only thing you have to do is you have to remember these plurals, singular to plural. Okay. Next our statement nana. Second statement. See children. These are eggs. Suppose these are eggs. Okay. This is a statement given to you children. These, singular word what nana? This. What is the singular word for these? This. Are. What is the singular word for are nana? Is. Eggs. An egg. This is an egg. So in this way we can write singular plural to singular. Let us see children few more statements from plural to singular. Now we have learned only two statements. Now I am going to write few more children. Next statement. These are ink pots. These are ink pots. Okay. Suppose these singular form what nana? This. Okay. Are can be written as is. Ink pot. Ink pot means the sound pronounced by the first letter of the word is vowel sound. So we have to write an. This is an ink pot. This is an ink pot. Coming to the next statement children. These are apples. These are apples. These are apples. See children, these. Okay. What is the singular form for these nana? This. Are. Is. An apple. This is an apple. Coming to the fifth statement children. Fifth one. These are oranges. These are oranges. Okay. These, singular form what nana? This. Are, singular form is. Oranges. An orange. This is an orange. Okay. In this way we can write plural to singular. Let us discuss children few more statements. From plural to singular. Now we have discussed with these now. Now let us discuss the statements with those. Okay, first one. First statement children. Those were nice. Those were nice. K-N-I-V-E-S. Nice. Here those, singular word what nana? That. Where was. That was a knife. calf. Okay. Let us discuss now 3 more statements so that easily you can understand. See children, by writing more examples, easily you can understand. Okay, Nana? Next, 2 more examples. Let us discuss Nana. Those were owls. O-W-L-S, owls. Now, what is the singular word for those, Nana? That was an owl. That was an owl. That was an owl. Coming to the next one, children. Coming to the next one. Those were boxes. Those were boxes. Those singular word what Nana? That were singular word what Nana? Was. That was a box. That was a box. Coming to the sixth one, children. Those were mice. Those were mice. But those singular word. That was a mouse. That was a mouse. Okay. In this way, easily we can give the singular form for the given plural sentence. For the given plural sentence, children, in this way, easily we can give the singular form. Okay. Is it clear to you how to write the singular sentence from the given plural sentence? Okay, what we have learned, children, now how to give the singular sentence from the given plurals. In this chapter, we have discussed, children, about singular and plural. What do you mean by singular, Nana? One thing. Singular means only one thing. When we are talking about plural, children, it is more than one thing. When we are talking about plural, means more than one thing. Singular means only one. Plural means more than one. Plural means more than one. And we have learned, children, in this chapter how to frame the plurals. Some plurals are formed by adding yes. Some plurals are formed by adding es at the end of the statement. When we have to add es, children, when a word ends with ss, ch, sh or x, we add es to write the plural form. And in some situations, when a word ends with f or fe, we have to replace f or fe with ves to write the plural form. Okay, and when we are talking about the plurals, the words which ends with y, and if there is a consonant before y, we have to replace y with ies. We have to replace, children, y with ies. Fly, flies, flies. Story, stories. Okay, let us revise, children, once the opposites given to you in your book, children. Okay, we will revise once all the plurals given to you in your textbook. Okay, one by one. Then we will conclude today our class. Next class, in the grammar class, we are going to learn about masculine and feminine gender. Right, see, children, book. What is the plural for book, Nana? Books. Book. Books. Hand. Hands. Hand. Hands. Pen. Pens. Okay. Table. Tables. Table. Tables. Wall. Walls. Bench. Bench. Benches. Bench. Benches. Okay. Box. Boxes. Box. Boxes. Children, right? Read Nana. Branch. Branches. Branch. Branches. Okay. Next, brush. Brushes. Brush. Brushes. Okay. Next, children, watch. Watches. Watch. Watches. Okay. Baby. Babies. Baby. Babies. Okay. City. Cities. City. Cities. Fly. Flies. Fly. Flies. Lady. Ladies. Lady. Ladies. Story. Stories. Story. Stories. Okay. Boy. Boys. Boy. Boys. Day. Days. Key. Keys. These are few Nana which I have written on the board. Few are given in your textbook, children. See, children. Buffalo. Buffaloes. Mango. Mangoes. Potato. Potatoes. Calf. Calves. Knife. Knives. Thief. Thieves. Wolf. Wolves. Child. Children. Foot, feet, man, men, mouse, mice, ox, oxen, tooth, teeth, women, women. These are the few plurals Nana given to you. Few I have written on the board. Once check, children. Book, plural books. Hand, hands. Pen, pens. Table, tables. Wall, walls. Bench, benches. Box, boxes. Branch, branches. Brush, brushes. Watch, watches. Baby, babies. City, cities. Fly, flies. Lady, ladies. Story, stories. Boy, boys. Day, days. Key, keys. So in this way, children, we have completed the topic singular and plural. And this plural, these, that plural, those, is plural, are, was plural, were. Okay. So plural, singular, plural completed, and already I have sent you the notes regarding the chapter. Tomorrow, children, we are going to learn about masculine and feminine gender. Very interesting, Nana. Masculine means already in first standard we have learned all the male nouns are known as masculine gender, whereas all the female nouns are known as feminine gender.